Because we think the woods down by the equator are 40 million years old. And the water never turns to... Yeah, that's why the flowers are coming out now around here, because water's not turning us. People see the flowers really and they go, ah, don't they look beautiful? But flowers have an important job to do. Flowers make seeds. That's their job. What is it? Flower? That's right. We'll talk about that later. All right, so I'm going to pull this earth off. I'm going to show you a picture of this rainforest where water never turns us. When I pull this off, you all go, ooh, ah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Now here's your rainforest, typical rainforest, athletic jungle, right? Here's the jaguar. See the jaguar? It's a pretty huge. The tops of the trees are called a canopy. What do you call them? I did not say can of peas. I said canopy. What do you call them? Yeah, the canopy is full of things, full of living things. When you go to the rainforest, you hear so many sounds. That's why I wrote this song called the Rainforest Chorus. You guys can help me with this. We're going to talk about why the animals make all these sounds, all right? Here we go. I want you to sing, oh, it's the chorus. Ready? Oh, it's the chorus. The rainforest chorus. Ready? Rainforest chorus. Singing everywhere. Go ahead and sing it. Ready? Oh, it's the chorus. The rainforest chorus. Voices in the air. They're everywhere on and in the air, filling every tree. Oh, it's the chorus, the rainforest chorus, singing constantly. Frog croaks from his pool in the tree, advertising his own identity. You know what I mean? Frogs up in the tree going, over here, looking for a girlfriend. Well, that's why he's singing, okay? Now, some of the frogs in the rainforest are as big as your thumbnail. Look at your thumbnail. Some of them are really little. The little frogs go, and some of the frogs in the rainforest are this big. And they go, so you give me the sound of the frog. Go ahead, right? Frog croaks. The pool in the tree, advertising his own identity. Monkey calls. The monkey's up in the canopy, and the monkey sees a jaguar, and the monkey knows the jaguars eat monkeys, so the monkey gives out a warning cry. Monkey calls. Warning cry. Stuck a cagey jaguar, and a sharp monkey's eye. And why do they call it a rainforest? Because it rains so much. This is why it rains. Watch this. Water moving up those great big trees. Water escaping from the great big leaves. Put your green leaf like this. Every green leaf in our world has little holes in it. These holes are so little you can't see them with your eyes, but they're there. The water comes up, and the water goes out these little holes. And the hot air pulls the water way up in the sky. When the water gets cold, it comes together. And it comes back down as rain. Now I know some of you guys have been working on the water cycle, right? So your teacher's going to be watching you. When the water sort of comes up the course, they need evaporation, condensation, precipitation. And the plant's health is in the water's moving up those great big trees. Water's escaping from the great big leaves. And the sun heat will make it rise as it condenses in those clear blue skies. Then it starts whacking and going, rain, 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 rain. Come on, I want to hear those legs get whacked ahead. I can't hear the rain. All right, here we go. You're ready now. Bring the water up the tree. Here we go. Ready? Water moving up those great big trees. Water escaping from the great big leaves. And the sun and heat will make it rise as it condenses in those clear blue skies. Then it rain, 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 rain. Oh yes, rain, 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 rain. Oh yes, rain, 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 rain. Oh yes, rain, 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 rain. Like before dawn. Yeah, people hear the birds and go, don't they sound lovely? But the birds are saying, this is my space. Keep out, ready? This is my space. This is my space. But it sounds like all the birds sing. Like before dawn, claiming territory, clear and strong, too light for the owl, too dark for the hawk. So the other birds feel safe, singing squawk, 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 squawk. Chorus part, but I want you guys to make all the sounds of the animals. I want you to make the monkey sounds, the frog